If you have clicked on this video, that means you are working on slide 3, labor market. So I'm going to walk you through the steps in order to find that on ONET. So you're going to go to a Google link and you are going to type in ONET. And here's that link right here. I'm going to click on ONET. Once I go to ONET, I'm going to type in my career pathway choice. I'm going to type in teacher. I'm going to click on the link. You're going to see there's a summary tab and you're going to see all these little blue links right here. You are going to click on wages and employment. And look, it pops up. That's all the information you need right here. And you can play this video as many times as you need in order to get to wages and employment trends in order to fill out your slide 3 labor market.